Professor David. I am Prashanth Honga Sandra presenting a PPT on my productivity project conducted at Argo, Tempe, Town Lake. Presentation outline, site information, activity analysis, 5-minute rating technique, crew balance and improvement, workflow process, safety and conclusions. Introduction. Argo project is located at Rio Salado Parkway, Tempe, owned by Lena Homes, general contractor Summit DCK. It is a mixed land use project. The area is 605,000 gross square feet. Cost of the project is $44 million. Dollars. Started on June 14, 2013, expected to be completed by May 1st, 2015. The types of trades I observed in my process of project are structural steel, concrete, masonry, electrical, plumbing, carpentry, and site utilities. This is the view of the project site. Activity analysis was performed on 6 different dates. The number of workers 120. Total number of observations taken was 647. The work was categorized into direct work, prep work, traveling, tools and equipment, materials handling, personal, and waiting. The result of this is shown in the pie chart. The direct work is 40.21%, delays combining of personal and waiting accounts to 16.60%. The reasons for this are framing required a lot of prep work and transporting. Masonry bricks were located to the east side of the building, so the laborers needed more time to get them to the place of operation. Concreting also required bar bending and the time required to place steels. Site office is located 300 meters away from the site. The comparison to industry average. Argo Town Lake is doing pretty well when compared to the CIA averages as seen in the slide. I performed a 5-minute rating on concreting, a total duration of 10 minutes for 2 cycles. X indicates the work done. Total number of laborers involved in this rating are 8. The effectiveness recorded was 43.7%. The bar graph here shows a clear idea of how the work is divided and how it is performed by them. I would like to propose and balance the crew by using a mechanical finisher instead of manual finishing the concrete. Instead of 2 members used for finishing, we can use only one. Redistributing the work of vibrator between man 5 and 6 and also redistributing the task between men 2, 3 and 4. From this chart we can see how the work is evenly distributed between them and man 8 is completely eliminated. This new proposal gives us an effectiveness of 75% as compared to 43.7%. Adopting a mechanical finisher and improving this saves us 2 minutes for 2 cycles. This is the workflow process in concreting of a slab. Loading, hauling, queue, unload, return. This is how it works. I am actually going to propose a better site detail. The existing site consists of material storage at the center of the site to the east. The labor requires a lot of time in traveling and collecting the materials so the IFE has to perform the duties on the other side. So I would propose to split up the material storage and set it up diagonally so that less traveling time is required, and also to set up an office in the project location so the gap can be reduced. Safety was given utmost importance by Summit DCK. Personal protective gear is a must and to be worn at all times by all the employees working at the site. Safety drills are performed at 7 a.m. on all Tuesdays. Restricted areas are to be entered only by authorized personnel. Muster points are located for emergency evacuation. The project is video surveilled at all times. The hazards I found out during my process are ladders were not fixed, nails used by carpentry were not removed from the floor after the work was completed, rebar was exposed. The recommendations I would suggest are using safety nets at the sites. This creates a safe environment and increases the confidence of the workforce, which in turn increases the productivity. And also, the reliance on the employee to be suitably trained and connected at all times using a harness is also eliminated. We should fix the ladders to prevent any falls. The rebars must be capped. To sum it up, the direct work was observed at 40.21%, existing efficiency in concreting is 43.7%, proposed efficiency is 75%, workflow improvement, and safety recommendations. Thank you.